Hey dear viewers, my name is Nick, and in this video I wanna show you how to download and play Armor Attack on your PC or laptop. So Armor Attack is a popular mobile game which is available in Play Store or App Store, and now to play this mobile game on your PC you need to install an Android emulator. I advise you to use LD Player because I use it and it's really cool application, but you can install another Android emulator such as BlueStacks or MiuMiu Android emulator. Well, firstly, I will show you how to install an Android emulator. All you need to do is just go to a browser and now type in the search box LD Player download. Just go to their official website, ldplayer.net, and here you can easily download it. Just click on the download button right here, and now at the top right in your recent download history you'll see this installer. Of course you need to run it and then install it on your computer. After that, on your desktop or in the start menu you can find this program. Of course you need to double click on it to open it up, and then you'll see the emulators window. Okay, it was the first step. The second step is download a game on your emulator. How to do it? Click on the System Apps folder, find here Play Store, and of course you need to log in your Google account or just create a new account for your emulator. And now at the very top you can find the search box. Let's use it, click on it. Now type here Armor Attack Robot PvP game. Yeah, here it is. Let's click on it, and there is the install button. Let's click on it. Very good. Almost done. Now we need to wait a bit until this game will be installed. Armor Attack is installed on my Android emulator, and finally I can run it. So let's open it up, click on it, click on the next button, next, create, and there is a short tutorial, but you already can see that I can easily play this game on my PC. And of course you can do the same thing on your laptop. Well, it's really cool, and I advise you to try to play this game on your PC. I hope it was really helpful for you and clear. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.